Q&A. Q&A so that we will
Oh my
be
God.
quick. It'll just be
Okay.
quick. So hang on a bit. In the warm-up, in an ET class,
Mhm.
which is the most important thing that you should do in warm-up? Teacher Justine.
Oh my God.
Ice breaking.
To make the student feel welcome in my class,
Yes. What else?
I think.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
So, of course, you need to, before you
Deliver the
feel welcome, you should check, can you hear me?
yeah,
Can
the
you see
can
me,
you hear
right?
me, like the net
Yeah.
and the audio?
Yes. So, your student needs to feel welcomed, right? Warmly.
Yeah. Yes.
So, whatever it is that you're experiencing for the day, bad mood and all that, iwan mo na yun sa gilid.
Yes.
Okay. What else? What else is very important in warm-up? Can you blabber in warm-up like Super Chica? Can you do that?
No. Direct to the point, like, can you hear me and see me? And then, what's your name? Then
Yeah, you deliver the
proceed to.
ice-breaking script, correct?
Yes po. Yes.
Yes. And when the student is late, what is it that you need to stick? Like, kunwari, 3 minutes late, 5 minutes late. What is it the most important information that you need to get?
Actually, after 5 minutes pa akong mag-inform sa TA, TM kasi yun yung sa
Yeah. Kasi di ba
SOP.
trial class, pero let's say
Oo.
student is late, which is very normal, right? Ano yung pinaka-importante mong dapat makuha para hindi iiklian mo basically yung warm-up, right? Kung late siya.
Yes, para meron pa rin time management.
Yep. So basically, ano yung pinaka-important mong makuha during the warm-up?
Oh no. Yung basic, yung
Basic is,
yung major niya,
yeah,
is she working or still studying, yun, like that. Yung important lang yung what does she do during weekends or free time. Yun
So
lang.
actually, pwede mo nang i-cut short yung mga hobbies and all that because you're
Okay.
running out
Pag
of
late.
time pag late siya.
Mm.
Especially kung late siya ng 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes. Of course, you need to be able to get the target score, right? Current and target
Yes.
score.
Yes.
But also, what else? Ano yung mga important? Teacher Philip.
IELTS details, miss, like when is
Yes.
target
Oh,
and
yes. What
and
else?
bands when will be his or her examination date.
Yes.
Yes, miss. I think that's it. And then have you taken the IELTS exam before so that you will not explain the
Of
instruction
course,
again?
you will have to get the name and all that.
Yeah.
The name. Tapos, you will have to excuse that you will have to expedite this part because you're running out of time. So you will just get the essential details, right? So you get the name, you get those details about IELTS. But most importantly, what else? Siguro ilagay nyo na sa script pag late si student. And also, it's very important in the warm-up. Sirit na ba? Teacher Justine.
Wow.
Sa kinadami-daming estudyante.
What?
You have to mention your strengths pa rin. Kasi ET
Ah,
class,
I
first
see.
time kanyang na-meet.
Ay,
Yes?
oo.
Alamin mo yung information niya, name, ganyan. Hobby siguro pwede mo nang ma-skip yon. Maybe later on, you can ask more pag normal lesson na, but you need to mention your strengths para the goal is mag-enroll siya sa'yo. Syempre, hindi mo naman yayabangan, but mention 1 or 2 strengths. Hi, I'm Teacher Justine. I'm a teacher at Partner English. So, how
pwede
did you
naman.
help your students before? That will
My
make
God.
this student enroll in your class.
I
Strength.
see.
Okay.
I
So
see.
if you
I'll type
can,
it.
put that in a script, it can be very good because you will be efficient. Kasi medyo nagmamadali ka na, so hindi mo naman ipapa-obvious na nagmamadali, but you will still mention that. Okay. And then what else? Isa pang very, very important na hindi mo dapat ma-miss. Kasi remember, this will be your potential student, potential NL student.
Yung goal niya?
Yes,
Mm,
objective, student's objective. Why
Yeah.
they're taking the class with you. So that you
Oo.
can adjust your methodology later on.
Mm-mm.
Pag-enroll niya. Okay, also in that class. Kung gusto niya lang pala na, I'm not so familiar, teacher, with a lot of questions. So, meaning hindi pala kayo, you're not gonna go deep. The student wanted to be familiar with the different types of questions. Then you can cover more questions. Hindi yung one IELTS, isa lang na cover nyo. Yes,
okay.
you can try to go for that. So you can probably later on, pag answer and correction na, you can explain that in this part we can go deeply, like improve your answer, come up with better words, blah blah blah. But since you mentioned that you wanna be more familiar with the different questions, then we'll focus more on that. Then I'll give you overall feedback based on the 4 criterias. So di happy siya, enroll siya sa'yo.
Really, miss.
Tama ba,
Ay.
Teacher Justine?
Yes. Yung grabe
Kasi
yung
yun
sa
ang goal
akin,
niya eh.
TM. Parang walang nag-enroll sa akin.
Kasi yun ang goal niya. Ikaw,
Pero-
parang, let's say, in 180 class, super improve ka. Yung pala ang gusto niya to be able to cover at least part 1, part 2, and part 3, be more familiar with the question, makasagot lang, konting feedback on overall. Yun pala ang gusto eh. Had you asked that at the beginning, edi sana nabigay mo yung gusto niya.
Oo nga.
Enroll
I
siya
see.
sa'yo. Diba?
Yeah.
Okay, any questions there? It
Mm.
can make
Oh my
or
God.
break that specific class kung hindi mo
Oo
natanong
nga.
yun. Okay?
I
Grabe
see.
yung-
Klaro?
Yes po.
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Mock
Oh my
test.
gosh.
How long should you do the mock test, Teacher Justine?
15, I know.
Huh?
20 minutes. Sorry,
Ah?
wait. Meron.
Teacher
Sa warm up,
Philip.
5 minutes. Tapos 15 minutes sa mock test.
Uy, lagpas ka na pag 15.
14, miss.
Ha?
Ay, 14.
14.
14 max. Minimum.
Yeah, that's the
14
max.
pa lang.
Minimum
12 or 11?
11.
11.
Teacher Justine, yung last na nireview ko na class mo, yung mock mo, lagpas-lagpas ka sa...
Grabe. Hindi.
Anong
Parang gano'n. Nag-review din ako. Team. Oh, grabe. Overtime ako.
You'd better review the IELTS script. Okay?
Yeah, miss, question
Oo nga.
Go ahead.
question there,
Ay,
miss.
11. 14.
During mock test, miss, like there are times student cannot understand the question, like what is comprehend. Do we oblige or are we obliged to explain the question before they answer?
I'm gonna go into that.
Ay, oo. Meron yun.
Welcome, Teacher Maggie. Hello. Thank
Hello
you for
po.
Hello
joining.
po, hello.
We're
Pa-join
gonna
Hi,
lang
do
po.
Teacher
just a
Maggie.
Q&A. This is Teacher Maggie, also a VIP teacher, Teacher John, a new teacher. Teacher Maggie, I'll just give you the recording so that we covered already the warm-up.
Sige
What
po.
is extremely important in the warm-up. We're now in the mock test. So anyway, going back to the IELTS script, it has to be verbatim. How do you interrupt the student, Teacher Justine?
In the warm.
Mock test. How do you interrupt the student?
Actually,
Student
I said time is up. Pag may
can't
yun ang ginagawa ko, which is not good pala.
How do you
Oo nga.
interrupt the student, Teacher Maggie?
Yung ginawa ko.
Sorry, TM. Sorry.
How do you interrupt the student in the mock test?
Interrupt the
Do you
student.
say
Yeah.
time is up? Do you say that?
Yeah.
Opo. Yes po.
No.
We're the same.
No.
Really, miss?
Teacher Phil.
I say like, that's okay, thank you.
Thank
Oh,
you.
wow.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
and then the student will stop, and then let's move on to the next.
Yeah.
Part.
You'd better review Teacher Justine,
I used to do
Teacher
that.
Maggie, IELTS script. Yeah? You have the file? Do you have the file?
Yes po.
Yeah. How do you
Yeah,
interrupt the student? Thank you very much, Pedine. Kahit na paulit-ulit kasi yun ang hindi kasi hindi kasi time is up.
Actually,
Okay.
TM, I rarely say the time's up.
Oh,
Yung
yeah.
time's up po, I guess I use that on part number 2 since hindi kasi alam ng student if she
Yung,
or he needs to stop now or, continue.
oo.
So,
Yes, but
yeah,
Especially,
that's the only
it's not part of the
case.
IELTS script
oo
as
nga.
well. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Do we have to say, kunwari, you're my student, Teacher Maggie. Okay, let's move on to the part 3 question. This one is a more generalized questions related to part 2. Okay, okay, student Maggie. Should I say that in the mock test? Should I mention the name of the student in the mock test?
No need na po. Just
No need.
continue.
We don't need because we're playing
like a
as
real
an
examiner.
examiner.
Yes
Yes.
po.
Hindi naman kailangan super serious o not friendly, but you just need to play as the examiner. Yeah,
Mm.
like a little bit not too personal, not too friendly. Parang just deliver the script. Yes, please, Teacher Justine.
My student kasi ako na I think 2 weeks ago yung sabi niya sa akin yung question is subordinates. Yeah, I don't know yan, ano yung question. So sabi niya sa akin, teacher, what is subordinate? So sinabi ko sa subordinates like team members like that. So okay lang ba sa mock test?
Yeah.
Okay lang. Kasi hindi
Actually,
niya kasi
okay,
naintindihan
since
yung subordinate
second
kasi advanced daw sa kanya.
second question na yan, actually, even in the supplement for the IELTS,
Mhm.
we have the recent IELTS training, right? Yung supplement. You can actually rephrase or reword
Pag
in part 3.
Part 3.
In part 3.
Yes, miss. Part 3
yes.
lang.
Part 3
Kasi
yun. Part 3 yun.
part 3
Yeah.
pwede.
Oo. Yung
But
part 3
not
question.
reword or level down, like make them understand part 1 and part 2. Only in
Hindi. Part 3 yun, Tian.
Okay.
Part 3 yun. Yung subordinates na ano.
Yes.
So,
Okay. So, klaro na mock test.
yeah. Hindi na ako.
Yes.
Time is up pala.
Thank you.
I used to say that.
Hala, lagot.
My God. Grabe, wala talaga nag-enroll sa akin, TM.
Actually,
Wala talaga nag-enroll sa akin sa ET. Halos lahat NL class talaga yung students ko.
hindi. Yung nasa tracker is, that is, alam mo, every time
Low
maglalabas
buying rate.
maglalabas sa tracker lahat yon naka-data, based on data. May number of ETs. Pag lumagpas sa 10, nandun ka na. So, ano naman yon?
Yeah.
Nothing really serious about that except that maybe may nami-miss si teacher na dapat lang.
Oh, yes.
Ganun lang naman.
May na-miss talaga ako.
Yes.
Yung
Yes.
TA ko kasi is pag kunwari tonight mag-open ako ng slots tomorrow morning. Grabe. Bibigyan din ako ng ET tapos yung student ko pala on the next day yung exam. So yung si Scarlett TM.
Meron naman tayong
Parang
package
gusto
for
niya
that.
talaga ako.
May package
Parang
naman tayo for that.
Parang ganon.
Yes, miss.
So at least
Grabe.
mag-aral siya sa'yo at least maybe for that day,
Oo.
sana dalawa. Morning and afternoon.
Yes.
Or pag bumagsak siya.
Grabe
saan
yun.
ka pupunta?
Grabe si T.S. Scarlett. Ngayon, open bukas, may ET, tapos the next day pala yung exam. So, paano yun? Oh,
Yun
grabe
nga,
siya.
that's the goal of the CC package.
Oo nga.
Tsaka may
CC
pang-beginner, may
package.
pang-advanced. Right? That is
Anyway.
kaya may ganon.
So, I will rephrase.
So basically, pa-enrollin mo siya, yung kumbaga yung importance of reviewing with you before the day comes, before the big day comes. So i-drill mo siya, pwede mo naman siyang i-drill on different questions eh.
Mhm.
Tapos overall feedback, kung bukas na yung exam. Tapos
Nice.
kung gusto niya mga 2-3 practice, na, right? Before no exam niya. Iba-ibang set.
Mm-mm.
Okay? Let's move on to answer correction kasi ito yung parating na miss.
Yes,
Let's
sometimes.
discuss
Yes,
the
miss.
sequence. Teacher Phil, what's the first
Sorry.
step that you do in answer correction?
You review the original answer, miss, and give feedback on it at least 2 minutes.
Okay. So let's say you're not yet done because there's a lot of mistake. What do you do?
You summarize, miss, the missed or important details of his or her answer, and then move on to the method po.
Yes. So what happens to the original answer? Do you
Should be
amend
saved.
it, like cross it out?
N-
What happens
No,
to the
miss.
original
It's
answer?
it's always there.
It's
Like you
over. You
create
keep it, right?
another, yeah, you keep it, you create another, yeah,
So
improved
what you
answer.
do is what should you do, teacher Maggie?
Sorry, ano po? After after
Uh,
giving the answer corrections?
yes, in the original answer, you keep it,
Yes po.
correct?
Tama po si Teacher Phil po.
Oo. So you keep it, and then since there's still correction to be done after 2 minutes and you're not yet done. So of course, the time is running in answer correction. What should you do if you need further time in giving correction for the original answer?
If you need further time,
You need further time. So ano na yung action mo, teacher?
I guess kung okay na po yung lahat, and
Hindi pa nga eh, kasi nga yung you give, let's say on the original answer, overall feedback lang, feedback and correction. Pero sa daming mistake, hindi ka pa tapos, maybe after 5 minutes.
Oh, grabe naman yun.
But you need to already upgrade it,
I guess
etc.
kailangan po talagang i-control yung time kasi if not,
Exactly. So
you
what
know,
should you do?
kasi kayong dalawa yung
Maybe give
Ano nang
give
gagawin mo,
yeah.
effective
teacher?
feedback.
Teacher
Yeah, yung-
Justine.
Give effective feedback on the students' original answer, like yung
Oo. So hindi
yung
pa nga eh.
vocabulary, yung grammar, yung pronunciation, yung ganun.
Yes. On the
I think
first few
so.
minutes, correct? Pero ang dami
Like,
niyang
yes.
mali. Kailangan
So
mo na
just
rin magturo ng PREC or IMF.
Oo,
So
Mhm.
what do you do with the original answer na hindi ka pa tapos after 5 minutes to correct?
Mhm.
Shall I help you, teachers?
Yes, miss.
I
Maybe
think so.
part 2 to. Mahaba yung answer.
Oh, di ang haba,
Yes,
right? Di ka
especially
pa tapos,
Yeah, part two,
dami-dami niyang
yes.
mali. Ang
especially
gagawin
sa part
mo,
2.
since you need to also upgrade the original answer, correct? And ang dami-dami mong dapat i-comment. You need to
Mm-mm.
copy that because you need to retain the original answer. Copy it in the
Mm.
improved answer. Work on
Oo
that
nga.
already. Doon ka na sa baba. So
Parang hindi na
that
siya
you
masali.
have the original. At the same time, doon sa baba, mag-i-improve ka na.
Mm.
yeah.
So
I
as you improve it, nagbigay ka na ng original feedback, right? But hindi ka pa tapos. Umpisahan mo na si methodology, whether IMF or PREC,
I see.
in the improved answer. Kasi the improved answer has to be structured. Okay? So, let's say you're going to introduce the method already. What is it that you need to do first, teacher Philip?
When you introduce the share
So,
screen,
improvement of answer na, right?
I
Andun
mean,
ka na. You gave feedback
Okay.
correction but not yet done. So, before you introduce the methodology, what is it that you need to mention
okay,
first?
since it's my first day yesterday, I usually,
first
ano,
day pa na.
yeah, first day miss. And I have 2 students na they need to take the
Wow.
exam 3 days. So I introduced CC for 2 students yesterday. Okay. I think, miss, you need to personalize, like it's the same with other students. They're also having trouble with it. Is that
You
right?
actually, you're a little lost. Teacher
Okay.
Maggie, in our
Um,
last training,
Yeah,
you mentioned
this-
it at the end of this part, but you should mention it at the beginning.
yeah. On the first part po kasi, so after mo i-correct yung student, so i-introduce mo na yung method, which is the IMF. And then very quick lang yan. So just inform the student kung ano yung importance neto, bakit natin kailangan gamitin sa part 2, blah, blah, blah. And yun.
Exactly. Yes, that's it. That's the
Ah.
answer. It's
Connect, I think.
it's just like the student is like a patient that goes to a doctor. So, kunwari magre-reseta ka na. okay, this is your medicine. So the medicine is the methodology. But of course, you have to mention this is for headache. This is for, for your cough. This is for like this. So you have to explain the reason why your student have to take it. You don't
Pero
just
wag ka
assume,
magtatagal dyan, ah.
yes, you don't just,
Yes, miss.
no, it's just a sentence or
Yeah.
two to mention the reason why you're recommending the method. Because you don't just say, I recommend you this method and you take it. Take it. You have to mention why.
I see.
Why you have to improve the answer? Why do you have to change the original answer? Because some students will feel bad. Teacher, my answer, I prepared my answer. Why do you have to improve it? Why do you have to change it? Yes? Why do you
Oh,
have
yeah,
to,
baka.
basically, you don't change the whole idea. You just improve it by paraphrasing and all that. So, basically, sasabihin mo lang yung reason. Bakit ka may other methodology. But we don't insist if they don't want to use it. Okay?
I see.
All right. After the reason, how do you introduce the method, Teacher Maggie?
Sorry.
Teacher Maggie.
So yeah,
Okay.
kasi may class po kasi ako ng 2:30, so nag-jot
Oh.
down na po ako ng ano.
I see.
Okay lang po, gusto ko lang po
Ah.
mag-join kasi para at least, it's
Oh,
also
yes.
good for me para
Nice
refresher
one.
na din. Kasi syempre, hindi naman porke alam ko na, 'di ba? So,
Mm.
anyway,
What's very important when you're introducing the method?
I guess here the importance is that they understand it, yung significance neto, and yeah, the reason why we need to use it in part number 2, because this will definitely help them to improve their speech and to give balance and control on their 2-minute time.
Okay. What's the, how do you present the method, Teacher Justine? What's very important? Other than-
Sorry, exit na po ako, ah.
Yes, go ahead.
2:24 na po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Teacher Maggie.
Of course, pag may file ka na, you copy and paste it to the
Again,
to the
sorry,
screen.
Teacher
Tapos,
Justine.
pag meron ka ng yung summary of PREC method, like a note, so you can copy it on the screen and ask the student if, do you know this method? If,
Yes.
ganun ba? Tapos sabi niya, no, then I will introduce like, this is the suggested method that you can use when you are going to answer part 1 and part 3, like that. But if sabi niya, if may student pa rin na alam na yung method, so sasabihin ko, magtatanong ako TM na, do you want me to explain it to you, the
Okay.
method?
All right.
Do you still want me to explain to you? Kasi may student talaga na alam na yung method kasi nag-review sila sa videos nila, yung friends nila. So I asked the student pag ganun talaga na, do you already know this method? Pag sabi niya, yes, okay.
So
Do you
it
still
means
want me to review?
Nag-18 na si student
Hindi pa
sa
rin
ibang teacher.
TM.
Pero
First
alam
time
niya.
kasi sabi niya, kasi may student na sabi niya sa akin na alam niya kasi nag-watch ng videos, meron ding iba na because of their friends.
Okay.
So that's why I asked them if, do you still want me to review? Pag sabihin niya, okay, you can. Yeah. So I will say that, okay,
So
this
when
is
you are
the
introducing the method, what is very, very important? Are you going to discuss everything and tell
just,
your student?
no. Just mayroong wait. Interaction? What?
Yes.
Teacher and
Yes.
student interaction, like, what is
Correct.
point for you? Like that?
Yes. Meaning, because in this part, it's 40% student participation. Teacher guide ka lang.
40%.
Guide mo lang siya. So basically, if you teach the method, you're gonna be a good teacher and let your student answer some parts. Just like when you're teaching a new subject, you can say, okay, today we're gonna talk about nouns. So anyone who has an idea about nouns, what is it? So, kumbaga, there's an interaction. Hindi ikaw lang ang magsasalita. Even if magtuturo. There should be an interaction. So just like when you say, okay, what do you think P means? So sasabihin ni student, right? Can you see the left side of my screen? Oh, yeah, teacher. I could see it's, is it P? P for point? Oh, yes. Okay, you could see some intro phrases there. Can you choose one? Wag mong basahin lahat. Wag mong
Oh, I
kanyahin.
see, I
Wag
see.
mong kanyahin. Let your
Right.
student choose
Back.
from, or if
Mm.
they want to read, they can read if they like. Anyway, it's their class, right? Hindi ikaw yung
Mm.
super boka dyan.
Yes, Miss.
Okay?
I
Super
see, I
So,
see. I'll
checka.
change.
pasalitain mo. Ganyan. So, there's an interaction. And then, now that since you're already teaching and improving, there's intro phrases, right? Per section, per methodology. So, what happens now to the simple words, to the repeating words and all that? What do you do? Teacher Phil.
Oh,
Yes, Miss.
sige.
In my yesterday's lesson, Miss, I copied the teaching technique of Miss teacher Ariane.
Ariane.
She's doing tips, Miss. So every part I do also tips like paraphrasing and introductory words,
Uh-huh.
and then we begin with the improved answer po.
Okay, are you gonna be happy? What's your guide in paraphrasing? Let's say simple words as city or books or any text. What's your guide in improving it? Teacher Justine.
Pag simple lang, so pag alam ko lang TM, so I can give like important, alam niyo man yung do paraphrasing important like significant, vitals. Pag alam ko yung word, pag hindi ko talaga alam, I will use the thesaurus dictionary yung ganun. Pag hindi kaya sa brain. Pero pag kaya
Okay.
naman yung word, so I directly give the
You mean you
yung
don't consider the band score, the target score? Remember, there's a target score.
yes, I base it on the target score din po kasi example yung student ko gusto ng 6.5 so parang nag-advance yung words ko.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yung methodology mo, alangan naman super prompt ka ng sangkatutak na
Oo.
collocations,
Pero
advanced
5
verbs,
lang yung ano.
and idioms, pero ang target score lang pala ni student is 5.5. Kaya ba
Pag
niya?
5 lang hindi
Diba?
hindi ako masyadong nagbibigay ng
I
advance.
see.
So, but
Oo.
then, kung ang target score naman ni student is like 6.5, 7, by all means, ilabas mo lahat ng nalalaman mo.
Yes.
So,
Really,
don't be
Miss.
happy with simple words. May
Ay,
mga
yes.
nakikita ako na mga ganyan.
Therefore, thus. So I change
Children,
it.
naman, teacher, paraphrase mo naman. Yung
Oo.
there are a lot of
Yes.
other words for instead of saying
As a result.
or also
Therefore,
and
thus.
naman, napakasimple naman yun. Diba?
I see.
So, please, palitan mo yon. I would always say, make your improvement rich. Hitik sa dami ng suggestion kay teacher. Hitik sa bunga, madaming mapipick up
Oo nga.
sa'yo. You get it? Doon mag-enroll si student. Gustong-gusto nila yun. Teacher
Yes,
Justine, may
I get.
sasabihin ka ba?
I think sa revised answer ko, TM, yung nakita mo sa video, okay lang ba? So, I think hindi yung sa revised
I
answer
like
yung
your
problema ko.
revised.
Yeah.
Revised. It's clear. It's
It's clear and
organized. It's
Oo.
well made.
Yung problem lang ko is, I think yung problem ko is how to deliver the yung
Yes.
question.
Siguro
So,
konting fine-tune na lang.
yes.
Tsaka siguro medyo
Kasi nag-review din
be
ako.
a little bit more approachable in class. Siguro.
Siguro kasi na, kasi ako,
Minsan
parang
kasi,
always lang kasi yung NL lang, ganun lang.
minsan kasi,
Kaya parang,
ano ka na ang magaling ka na, systematic ka na, nakakalimutan mo ngayon yung
ET pala.
emotional factor. You have to make your student feel good about themselves.
Yes
Parang
po.
kumbaga, oh yeah, good job. You have to also praise your student during the answer and correction. Remember, yung praising is not in the mock, but in the answer correction. They have to feel good in your class. Yun.
Yes, nakakalimutan ko din yan.
O, diba? Sobrang
Especially sa ET kasi parang, pag ET kasi TM parang wow, focus
stress,
talaga.
diba?
Yung na-stress. Pero pag NL, so parang okay ako, kaya yung mga students ko, they
Yeah.
always come back.
Tsaka wag naman yung super teacher ang dating pag NL na.
Yes. Ay, hindi
Medyo,
naman, TM.
medyo
Friendly naman
ka
ako.
na. Medyo friendly
Yes.
ka na. Oh, okay.
Yes, friendly naman ako.
I see.
Yung students ko nga, TM, pag gabi, teacher, ba't hindi ka nag-open ng morning at saka may trabaho ba daw ako? Wala, natutulog lang. Yung ganun. So, parang, yeah. Yung
Actually, si
NL.
Teacher Justine, gusto ko na kunin as trainer yan eh. Pero
Uy,
Yes, miss.
wow.
magaling na si Teacher Justine. Yun na lang yung
Uy, thank you, TM. Grabe. Kung alam mo lang, Teacher Philip, last year, grabe yung
pinagdaanan niya.
malapit na talaga akong ma-evict pala yung tawag yun.
Ma-eject.
Evict?
Oh my gosh.
EBT house? Eliminate. Kasi ang dami kong, complaints, like, attitude, yung, pero
Really, miss. I see.
class facing, yung, sa answer correction talaga. Grabe yun. Yun,
Me
yun team,
too.
no?
Answer
Grabe.
correction talaga.
Experience yan, Rich City.
Grabe, bro. Lahat ng complaint, nasa akin lang naman. Sinalo ko na lahat.
Kaya siya gumaling.
Grabe,
Anyway,
sinalo
may
ko
mga
na talaga
teachers naman ang
teacher.
gumagaling
Grabe,
na
sinalo
hindi
ko na
dumadaan
talaga.
doon. Si Teacher Arian.
Pero
hindi
sa
dumadaan.
akin, grabe. But okay ngayon, TM, kasi I learned a lot from those things.
Yeah, pakikitungo sa iba't ibang tao, di ba?
Oo.
Iba't ibang klase.
Kasi,
Okay, so going back to improved answer, right? After you have improved the answer, okay na yung class notes mo, ang ganda na. What do you do, Teacher Justine?
you try to ask the question again and let the
Yes,
let the
ask the
student
question
answer the question using the revised answer.
Yeah.
Like that.
So do you, Teacher Phil, ask your student to read the answer? The
Yes,
improved
miss. I
answer?
give them I give them a minute, miss, to review and then ask them again. And
Yeah.
then they
Will you
answer.
ask them to read it?
I also sometimes miss, but on the last part na po, like pa-end na kami, hindi na po. Like, tingnan mo lang siya. If you're okay na, then I can ask you
Try to-
again.
Okay. Don't ask them to read. They can read, but
Yes,
hindi
miss.
magagaling sa'yo. Yeah, you can flash the answer as well. They can read, but at the same time, they can feel free to add more details to their answer, knowing that they have already been taught the methodology. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's say you're done improving the answer in 15 minutes and there's still time. What do you do, Teacher Phil?
Always akong late, miss eh. Like, nakukomplete ko po talaga siya. Like 20 minutes
okay.
po.
On time.
So,
Answer
Teacher
correction.
Justine, let's say there's still time in this part.
Yes,
what do you
miss.
do?
What do you do, Teacher Justin?
I move to another question.
Move to
may
another
time pa.
question. Okay, let's say you're
Yes.
discussing part 3 and there's still time. Do you discuss another question in part 3 or in part 1 or part 2? Where do you discuss? Discuss another question in part,
Proceed to the next question. Tapos,
proceed to the next. Let's say you're discussing part 3. Proceed to the next question in part what?
part 3. Part
Part
3,
three
still
pa
part
rin.
3.
Part
Kasi
three
yun
pa rin,
yung
yes.
sinabi
Part
niya
three pa
na
Kasi yun nga
Difficult.
yung most difficult sa kanya.
para sa kanya. Pero may students talaga na sabihin na part 2 and 3. So, sasabihin ko pag sabihin niya na, teacher, part 2 and part 3 are difficult for me. So, okay. So, we will check your part 2. If there's still time, we can go to part 3. Pero
Part
hindi
three.
na talaga aabot.
Yeah.
Hindi na talaga
Ngayon,
aabot.
syempre, kung
Ang
part 2
taas kaya
kayo,
ng part 2.
part 2 kayo, syempre,
ang
ikaw
taas
na
kaya.
mamili. Kasi hindi na kakayanin ng another part 2, lalo na kung 80. Kasi nga, nagturo ka pa. Alright, so let's move on to the band score feedback. Which part in the band score feedback should you start with, Teacher Phil?
Band score.
The high score, miss. You
Highest
discuss first the highest score, and then the lowest scores.
Yeah. So let's say you're discussing the weaknesses. How do you do it? What's very important that you shouldn't miss?
You should remember the corrections you had in the answer correction and then put it in the band score feedback. So they would remember, yes.
Actually, yeah, more or less it's like that, but it's just to add more personalized examples. So please don't use jargons like, okay, in the grammatical range and accuracy,
We don't read it,
Please,
miss.
please learn to make complex sentences. You have to break it down by giving examples. Like, kunwari, sinabi mo, learn how to make complex sentences or compound sentences. You'd better teach them how to make it. Have like an example sentence.
Oh.
Okay? Huwag jargons na gano'n. Kasi
Yes,
hello, hindi nila naaalala yun. Kaya nga lahat ng intro phrases are underlinking words. Lahat yun linking words. Discourse markers, linking words pa rin. Connectives, linking words pa rin because they don't remember. Okay? Yep. Then in the course plan, Teacher Justine, as you said, mga 1 or 2 days left. Are you going to go straight to the CC course?
Yes, parang hindi ko na sinasabi yung course plan. Direct after band score feedback, direct to
CC
CC.
course na.
Oo.
Okay, I'll tell you that you must mention how they have performed. Just like, okay, in your mock test, you were nervous in the blah, 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 blah.
Ah,
So, and of course, you have to mention your target score is this. So, I highly recommend this. Tsaka mo na ipakita si CC course. Because kung
Ay,
direct,
nag-present na ako. Nag-direct ako.
yeah,
ako din.
yeah.
Hapon.
If it's direct, like, si teacher gusto niya lang magbenta sa akin, hindi niya na-consider yung paano ako
Oo, yun na.
nag-perform. Ano ba
Makes
yung
sense.
target score ko? Hindi niya sinabi yon. You have to personalize it in such a way that you will sound sincere. Na comprehensively, na-consider mo yon. You were like this. You had difficulty constructing your blah, blah, blah. So, and your target score is like this. You start with a mock test score and the target score. So with that, I highly recommend ganon ang bang. Kasi ibig
So mali pala yung
sabihin,
akin.
based on lahat na, parang ang pasyente, right?
Yes, miss.
Kumbaga comprehensive ang iyong recommendation. Hindi yung basta benta agad ng CC course. You must sound
yeah.
sincere. Kasi
Before we end today's
ganito yung
class, yung
performance
ganun.
mo. Kaya ito yung kailangan mo, student. Ano?
For me, sa
Mm.
akin, TM is parang, example, sa package A. So, sinabi ko na may 8 examiner recorded video lessons. So, yun lang part doon sinabi ko because sabihin ko, during our mock test, yun lang ako na-explain na during mock test, you were very nervous and
Yes,
it's better
That's
if you
okay.
get this method because this 8 examiner recorded video lessons focus on the skills that help you quickly organize your answers, improve coherence and fluency. Yun
yes.
yung part ko na nag-explain ako. So parang
Okay.
after band score feedback, direct na talaga ako before we end today's class.
Yeah, as long
I'd like
as
to
you
introduce
mention.
you.
As long as you
Yeah,
mention.
nag-mention ako pero sa middle na TM, okay lang ba? Or dapat before talaga?
Wala namang sequence dyan eh. But as
Oo.
long as you consider the performance.
Yes, I did.
So
Pero sa middle
this
na talaga.
package is to address your fluency and coherence. Because in the mock
ganun.
test, you were like this and like that. Yeah,
Yes, like that.
you can do
Like
that.
you will also receive an emergency materials package like that, which includes part 2, merging topics, and part 3. Because this, like that, because this will help you speak more confidently like that, and naturally during the test. So
Correct,
yun lang yung
yes.
part ko.
Oo. So,
So,
wag yung nagbabasa,
okay lang.
diba? Yung talagang
Parang nagagawin
read. That's what's
Yeah, right.
gonna help them.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Pero sasabihin ng student ko, teacher, I will think about it if I will avail. Grabe naman yung
My
student
answer
ko,
agad.
TM. Yeah, okay, teacher, because may busy kasi ako. And, I will, pero sabihin ko, if come up ka na ng idea, just talk to Scarlett if you want to avail. Hindi pa rin. Wala paling enroll. Kasi mahal, siguro mahal, TM.
Actually,
yung
kasi
package.
nung peak season, ang dadami niyo
yung peak season.
Right?
Oo.
So, di ko alam kung anong profile ng mga students during the peak time.
Yes.
So
siguro.
I have to research on that as well. So don't feel bad when you're in the tracker. Basta ayos yung sequence mo, no problem tayo dyan.
Yes,
Yes, I
miss. Don't
guess.
feel bad, but you still need to do something, miss,
Yeah,
right?
konting ano lang naman yan, fine-tuning lang naman. Fine-tuning.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes, I guess.
Questions, is it more clear now, Teacher Phil?
Yes, miss.
For me
Mm,
too.
Okay.
tips lang, miss, for band score. Band score. How do you